Okay, sixth graders, we are going to be creating your surreal selfie portrait today using Rene Magritte's painting Son of Man that you see here as our inspiration. So you guys have a handout, this handout right here, Digital Surreal Selfie using Photoshop Mix. This handout will explain step by step for you guys what to do if you forget after this video. The first step is going to have you guys take a selfie using the classroom iPads. So here is my selfie. And then after you take your selfie, you guys are deciding what object you want to use on your selfie. Like Rene Magritte used an apple in front of his face. You get to decide what object you are going to use. So I am going to use a bunch of bananas. I really like bananas. And maybe I am a little bit bananas. So whatever your reasoning is for using your object, you want that to be a personal reason that makes sense for you. And so what you're gonna do once you decide what object you're going to use is you're gonna Google that image or Google that object. So, and then you're gonna go to Google Images, which you can see I already have here. So I typed in bananas, I hit images, and then I have my choice of a lot of different banana images. So let's see, I think for this one, I'm gonna try this. These cool like green spiky things are behind this. I'll just use this one. So once you find your image, you need to save it to the camera roll to be able to do that. So that's step number 4 on the worksheet. To do that, you are going to tap and hold over top of the image until a little window pops up. So you can see I just tapped and held my finger there. I'm gonna tap on Save Image, and then it should just get automatically saved into the camera roll. So this is the camera roll right here, that like rainbow photos that you can see at the top here. So if I just go into there, you can see that my bananas got saved in there, okay? Okay, so step number 5 is we're gonna open up the app, Photoshop Mix. And so you might have to kind of like swipe through here a little bit to find Photoshop Mix. If you can't find it, you can always swipe down and start typing, because I couldn't find it. It's hidden somewhere. Still on the iPad though. And I will be logged into Photoshop Mix. So these are all gonna be saved to my account, but I will tell you guys how you're gonna save them to your account. So to begin in Photoshop Mix, this is step number 6. You're gonna tap on this plus sign on the left-hand side of the screen. So you can see the plus sign right here. So I'm gonna tap on that plus sign. Close this window out of here. Oh, there's a baby. So I'm gonna tap on this plus sign here. And then we want to start our project with an image. And we are gonna start with the bottom layer. So if you think about it, your picture has to be on the bottom. We're gonna be layering that object on top of it. So you can see there's my selfie right there. Oops. So I can tap, I wanna just find your picture. Wherever your picture is, you just wanna figure out how to get it here on the bottom layer. And it says right here, it's kind of hard to see, but it says image layer right there. And so that's on the bottom, so that's perfect. Okay, so step number 8, on the right-hand side, you can see your first layer, your self-portrait. Tap on the plus sign above it to add the image of your selected object. So that's this guy right here, right? So you can see to the right of my selfie, there's this like little white circle with a plus sign. I'm gonna tap on that, and I already saved, it's very hard to see that, but I already saved my bananas under images. So I'm gonna tap on image, and then I need to go back a little bit, right into my camera roll. And I'm gonna try to find that group of bananas. And you can see it's right here at the top. So there it is. So you can see it like almost like laid it down, that piece of paper, that layer right on top of my selfie, right? And I can still like move it around because it's selected right now, right? You can select the top layer or you can select the bottom layer, right?